How can I choose wisely my micro-niche for creating online course? Choosing a micro-niche wisely for creating an online course involves several steps to ensure you select a topic that aligns with your expertise and interests while also meeting the needs of your target audience. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Reflect on your expertise and passions. Identify your areas of expertise, skills, and passions. Consider what topics you have a deep understanding of and enjoy teaching or sharing with others. 2. Research market demand. Conduct market research to identify potential micro-niches within your broader area of expertise. Look for topics with sufficient demand and a dedicated audience. Use keyword research tools, online forums, social media platforms, and industry publications to gauge interest and assess the level of competition. 3. Narrow down your options. Narrow down your list of potential micro-niches based on factors such as market demand, competition level, and your own expertise and interests. Consider niches where you can provide unique value or cater to underserved segments of the market. 4. Evaluate profitability. Assess the profitability of each potential micro-niche by considering factors such as the willingness of the target audience to pay for solutions, the potential size of the market, and the monetization opportunities available. Look for niches where you can create high-value offerings that justify premium pricing or recurring revenue streams. 5. Validate your niche. Validate your chosen micro-niche by testing the demand and interest from your target audience. Offer free or low-cost lead magnets, conduct surveys, or host webinars to gather feedback and assess engagement levels. Monitor key metrics such as email sign-ups, webinar attendance, and social media engagement to gauge interest and validate the viability of your niche. 6. Assess long-term potential. Consider the long-term potential of each micro-niche in terms of sustainability, growth opportunities, and scalability. Evaluate whether the niche aligns with your long-term goals and aspirations as a course creator and whether it offers opportunities for expansion or diversification in the future. 7. Make an informed decision. Based on your research, expertise, and validation efforts, make an informed decision on the micro-niche you want to pursue for your online course. Choose a niche that not only has market demand and profitability but also resonates with your passion and allows you to create valuable content that benefits your audience. By following these steps, you can choose a micro-niche wisely for creating an online course that has the potential for success and meets the needs of both you and your target audience.